Are you hunting for some Amazon deals on smart tech gadgets? Check out the Amazon Prime Day sale on futuristic inventions. The top 10 tech deals feature smart gadgets for your home, office, and leisure activity. If you are the tech gadgets pro with an eye for smart gadgets and the latest technology, these Amazon must-haves will transform your life to the another level. Check them out. PS3 ROT150 V2 is a strong, modular, and highly upgradable motion system, which will thrill every flight simulation enthusiasts. The PS3 ROT150 is a unique solution on professional simulation and entertainment market. 3 degrees of unlimited 360 rotation offers unprecedented possibilities for professional simulation systems and uncommon experience for entertainment market. A cabin with specially designed head-up display, modular human-machine interface equipment, VR headset, and powerful PC allows content developers to push the limits of simulation and entertainment experience. PS2 RM150 is a professional machine with 2 degrees of freedom, dedicated for use under the seats or moving floor application 150 centimeters by 150 centimeters. The small footprint, self-braking gears, and simple, reliable design allow the machine to be used for many applications dedicated to professional simulation, image stabilization, and entertainment. Equipped with high-accuracy RTK GNSS navigation, inbuilt lithium-ion batteries, and an onboard deployable solar panel system, this mower is completely self-sufficient. Mow your lawn sustainably and without any energy costs with the fully solar-powered SunScout robot mower. The SunScout robot mower is powered by the sun thanks to deployable solar panels and solar tracking for quick and efficient charging. This convenient solution allows you to easily navigate the mower along your lawn boundary using a user-friendly app. SunScout then creates a map of your lawn or multiple lawns and accurately sets virtual boundaries. You can even set pathways for the mower to navigate between lawns and mowing zones and define a parking area for standby periods. This gadget is the world's first AI robot that uses play-based conversational learning to support holistic skill development and help kids ages 5 to 10 progress toward key developmental milestones. The new gadget helps kids manage big feelings with a library of fun and interactive mindfulness activities. Unlike humans and other cheap gadgets, Moxie provides a safe and non-judgmental space for kids to learn and practice communication skills through natural conversations. The latest gadgets are a tool for parents to help support their children's development, with guides and tips to encourage further learning at home. The coolest gadgets help kids build confidence through positive daily affirmations and constant support and encouragement. Like music, these future tech gadgets can change your mood. Atmos Window is a future gadget in the shape of a window. Just hang the new technology on your wall and enjoy the sounds and sights of the world as if they were right before you. From Hawaii to Paris, Iceland to Egypt, over 1,600 original views from around the world are available. A new day has started where we can encounter our vast world and be healed by simulated nature. When you wake up in the morning, come home after an exhausting day at work, or spend a day off lounging around, the same room never has the same view. Just like there are songs for when you're feeling down and songs for when you're feeling great. This is an app-controlled smart desk with many built-in features. They include a dedicated app, built-in fitness and health module, fully adjustable height, air quality sensor, wireless charger, ergonomic footrest, app controller security drawer, and ambient LED lighting. Monitor the time you spend sitting behind them and tells you when it is time to get up from your chair and continue working in a standing position. It also provides personalized exercise programs. The Invention notifies you in case the room's air quality. The height of the tabletop can also be adjusted so that you can arrange conference calls and write your emails in a healthier position. As a result, the office or home office work becomes more straightforward and more practical. The device is an inflatable aerodynamic decelerator equipped with a ring parachute. The parachute is forced open by an inflatable frame that is integrated with airbags. The superior construction and attention to detail facilitates easy use and guarantees injury-free landing. The device can support anyone with weights ranging from 45 to 150 kilograms, and it can safely evacuate individuals from buildings as high as 1,000 meters. This makes it suitable for skyscrapers, offshore platforms, towers, and similar buildings. As construction of high-rise buildings was quickly expanding, scientists faced a challenge of developing an efficient evacuation system in case of emergencies. Presently, none of the traditional emergency strategies available across the world can really provide a safe escape from a skyscraper. These are a swarm of robots designed to wind fiberglass filament around themselves to create high-strength tubular structures. The structures can be built in parallel or interwoven to rapidly create architectural structures. The robots are mobile and use sensor feedback to control the length and curvature of each individual tube according to paths determined by a custom, environmentally informed, flocking-based design protocol. This provides designers the ability to control high-level parameters that govern the shape of the resulting structure without needing to tediously provide commands for each robot by hand. The 16 robots, including the design system to control them, were developed in-house and deployed to autonomously create a 4.5-meter-tall structure. The structure remained outside and undamaged through Massachusetts' winter months. AIR2 by Microclimate is a full-faced, fully filtered supermask that seals around the neck and filters both incoming and outgoing air. 4 HEPA filters around the frame of the mask to filter at least 96% of 030 particles of incoming and outgoing air. The removable washable fabric scarf creates a neck seal and is facial hair compatible. Other specs include 8 to 20 hours of battery life, 2 whisper-quiet tri-speed fans, full-faced, fog-resistant, impact-resistant, replaceable acrylic dome, 2-size cushion liners, 6 feet, USB-C cable with magnetic adapters for charging, microfiber cloth for cleaning, and a carrying case. Your speech and hearing are both improved organically by the new tech design. It also works well with AirPods and Live Listen feature on iOS. Elevate your business or event with this 3D LED fan display. The new gadget comes with seamless splicing for a stunning video wall, 832 high-brightness LED beads for vibrant colors, and compatibility with both Android and iOS devices. Connect it through Wi-Fi for effortless content management. It comes with a plug-and-play design, eliminating the need for screws. The remote control allows you to power on and off, control video playback, and manage the display sequence with ease. The MissU 3D hologram fan is equipped with Bluetooth functionality, enabling you to connect it to external speakers for synchronized audio and video playback, creating a truly immersive experience. Your audience will feel as if they are part of the action. Protect curb inlets from oil, sediment, and other pollutants in stormwater runoff. Street-side curb inlets can see a lot of storm water, so any product designed to filter the water coming into one needs 2 important features. 1, the ability to handle large volumes of water, and 2, the ability to stay in place when number 1 happens. The Ultra Curb Guard Plus withstands the substantial amount of rainwater that curb inlets often receive. The heavy-duty foam inserts wedged securely into the inlet, ensuring the unit stays in place. The polypropylene material, Ultrafilter Tex's absorbent and engineered design, allow it to filter large amounts of water in without ponding or flooding. The German Bionic Cray X provides support for 2 body functions, lifting and walking. It delivers up to 30 kilos of support per lifting movement for the lower back, as well as active walking assistance for the legs. The Invention boasts a lightweight carbon fiber structure, uses standard hot swappable 40-volt battery packs, and is dust and waterproof to the IP54 standard. This gadget is designed to protect the health of workers in manual handling environments and simultaneously reduce the level of physical exertion required of workers while conducting their tasks. The exoskeleton AI algorithm is meant to automatically detect signs of poor posture and incorrect lifting practices and alert the user right away. Cray X thereby modifies its behavior to prevent fatigue and the resulting human errors and injuries. As a biology professor at the University of Pennsylvania, an expert in muscle function and biomechanics, Dr. Lawrence Rome, the inventor of Hoverglide, was asked by the Office of Naval Research to try to reduce the large loads special operation forces have to carry. While standing still, a 50-pound load in your backpack exerts 50 pounds of force, which is static weight. This changes when you walk or run, where the peak force exerted on you can be up to 3 times the weight you are carrying. Suddenly, a 50-pound pack can put as much force on the body and joints as if it weighed 150 pounds. With the movement of suspended load technology, this additional force over and above the static weight can be reduced by as much as 86%. This is a revolutionary new product that is shaking up the world of orthopedic casting and bracing. The Cast 21 sleeve worn by the patient is a breakthrough in orthopedic care. It is made of a unique blend of medical-grade materials, engineered to be both strong and comfortable. The sleeve fits over the patient's arm and is in contact with the patient's skin while they heal from injuries. Additionally, the sleeve's open lattice design provides superior breathability, which helps to prevent skin irritation and infection. The pack contains a proprietary liquid formula that hardens into a solid. A healthcare provider puts this liquid into the Cast 21 sleeve, and it rapidly hardens to create an orthopedic device that is strong, lightweight, and molded to the patient's body. This is no Leo Messi, but a four-legged robot that can dribble a soccer ball on surfaces including grass, sand, gravel, mud, and snow. Dribblebot started out with no idea how to dribble, but it learned through trial and error what sequence of forces it should apply with its legs. 4,000 versions of the robot could be simulated in parallel, vastly speeding the process. Over time, it learns to get better and better at manipulating the soccer ball to match the desired velocity, says MIT PhD student Gabe Margolis, who led the work along with research assistant Yan Dongji. Thanks to a recovery controller the team built into its system, the bot can also navigate unfamiliar terrain and recover from a fall. This water filter, which doubles as a dispenser, uses a desiccant, a hygroscopic substance that works as a drying agent, to capture the moisture in the air over time. Next, the liquid goes through a multi-stage purification system, where it is sterilized and separated into its acidic and alkaline parts, with a built-in ionizer and an ultraviolet light, to produce a 9.2 pH antioxidant alkaline water. Finally, the liquid is enriched with 7 essential natural minerals: calcium, magnesium, lithium, zinc, selenium, strontium, and metasilicic acid to give a powerful boost to your health and immune system. The system can dispense up to 10 liters of the valuable liquid per day, which also depends on the level of humidity in the air. Blink syncs your bike to VR to let you venture across various terrains with friends as if you are outdoors. While biking can be a refreshing fitness activity, it also comes with safety risks. These cool gadgets on Amazon let you get the thrill of biking on dangerous terrains from the safety of your home. Finally, you don't have to cancel cycling rides during winter. Blinks is made up of a path sensor and speed sensor. The Tech Gadget's path sensor allows you to turn and control where you want to go. Blinks also records your fitness activities like calories burnt, average riding power, and average speed. This is an electric boat that's fun, affordable, strong, solar-powered, and one of the world's most energy-efficient boats. Lightweight yet durable DWF drop-stitch construction allows it to glide on the water efficiently. At 15 feet long, 8 feet wide, it weighs only 264 pounds. The Invention can travel up to 6 miles per hour with the included 1.3 kilowatt electric motor and battery. This includes 200 watts of solar power to extend range. LCAT is made in Europe and safety test certified with the CE mark. As an electric boat, this genius is politely silent. Enjoy clean power without the guilt of dumping fossil fuels in the water. Perform your daily routine with natural ease, seamless and accurate finger movements powered by 6 motors. Customize your grip for a truly personalized experience. Intuitive control of the bionic hand resembles natural movement. Esper Control System is designed to seamlessly translate your natural muscle movements into precise hand motions. 4 sensors detect and process the movement of 20 muscles in the forearm to activate the action in hand. This provides faster activation and hand control as well as more efficient and less tiring hand usage. With advanced machine learning algorithms, our platform adapts to your unique usage patterns to suggest the optimal grip for your device, precisely when you need it most. When water hits top mix permeable concrete, it doesn't flow in all directions, slicking up the surface. It flows in one direction, down, and it vanishes almost instantly. Traditional concrete has to be permeable enough to let a minimum of 300 millimeters of water an hour through to the ground level. That allows it to safely handle a major storm event every 100 years. Top Mix Permeable, in contrast, lets through 36,000 millimeters of water an hour, or approximately 880 gallons every minute. The seemingly magical product comes from Tarmac, a UK building materials and solutions company, which created Top Mix Permeable to divert rainwater during storms. Tarmac came up with paste control, an in-house technology used to mix the concrete that keeps it porous over time. Metro Skyways has been developing Fancraft, This is a technology that makes it possible to design a vehicle that is actually the size of a car and can carry the same number of passengers but can fly with no exposed rotor. As a result, City Hawk, its flagship fancraft model, can take off and land anywhere, anytime, in any weather. Together with the pilot, it can accommodate up to 6 occupants in a cabin 50% larger than a comparable helicopter. It will be powered by hydrogen, which, according to the company, is the only 100% environmentally friendly power source. Metro Skyways is building and testing its aircraft using the most powerful source of propulsion available today, a conventional turbine engine fueled by jet fuel. Want to take to the sidewalk on your skateboard, powering yourself forward at unimaginable speeds? The kickstick is a motor at the end of a stick. To be more precise, this is a 3-horsepower direct-drive, in-hub brushless motor at the end of a staff. Used a bit like an oar, the stick features a motorized wheel on the end and a pressure-based throttle capable of pushing your skateboard up to 30 miles per hour. The best part? It'll soon be available to the general public. Although the kickstick wasn't designed with total seriousness in mind, it is certainly a pretty memorable hardware hack. It is hard to exactly pinpoint the enigma of the kickstick as we use it on the street, but it conjures up memories of science fiction with all the visible wires and components, dangerous shredding with the guitar-like posture. With dimensions of 3.6 meters in length, 2.0 meters in width, and 2.1 meters in height, this electric-powered invention is crafted to deliver a ride that's as spacious as it is comfortable. The cool tech accommodates 4 passengers with ease. The future technology can be maneuvered by a driver present within the vehicle or operated remotely. The new Inventions journey is not tethered to any singular client or purpose. Sansei Technologies foresees a future where these units are the crowning jewels of trade shows, special events, and amusement parks worldwide. The ambition is to perfect the design, amplify its features and performance, and ultimately, to present the SR-02 as an unparalleled rental adventure. Do you fancy having an Olympic-sized swimming pool in your garden but are restricted by money and space? Well, now there's a solution. An endless pool is a swimming pool that's compact in size but allows you to swim mile after mile without ever reaching the end, and is a practical piece of equipment you could soon own. The new technology allows you to swim against a smooth current that can be adjusted to meet any swimming speed or ability. That means you can swim to your own schedule and at your perfect pace. As you never reach the end of the pool, your workout is not disrupted by regular turns. How did you like our collection of ingenious inventions? Which others do you know about? Talk to us on the comments section. As usual, if you found this content enjoyable, please show your support by giving us a thumbs up and sharing your thoughts in the comments below. To stay informed about our exciting videos, make sure to subscribe and enable notifications so you won't miss any of our updates. Until next time, remember to take good care of yourself.